Hey guys, it's super easy to sell digital products online because they bring in great passive income, are so low maintenance, and you only need to create them once and you get to sell them over and over again and receive a great income from doing so. Whereas selling physical products, you are obliged to fulfill every order each time a customer makes a purchase. Your digital products are automatically downloaded by the customer straight after a purchase has been made. So once you've received an order, there is nothing else for you to do except, of course, start counting your coins that are coming in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a digital business online. So if you want to get into this digital marketplace, which is growing rapidly, and want to make money, then this is the time for you to do so. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to this channel and hit that thumbs up button and share this video with your friends and family to help me with the YouTube algorithm. So without further ado, let's go right ahead and dive on into this great way for you to begin making money online by creating and selling your digital product from home and become a business owner. I'm about to give you 11 digital product ideas that are sure to sell and that can make you at least $1,000 per week. Number one is template in the form of Google Doc and Google Sheet, because very much so everyone has a Google account and it's super easy to create template in the form of documents and spreadsheets. This will allow you to share these with customers that need them as tools templates, as it will save them a great deal of time, which is why they're so profitable. For example, there are a lot of people who want to start a blog but are not good at writing. So then, if you're a blogger and good at writing, then this is how you can provide a service whereby you can create templates in Google Doc that people can purchase from you and use as a guide when writing their own blog posts. Now, as you are aware, everyone has different skill sets. So it's important for you to create templates that are based on what you know or you are good at. Here are some ideas for you to think about. If you're good with social media and able to write captions for blog posts, as mentioned above, or if you are a blogger and good with writing emails, then you should seriously consider email marketing, resumes, cover letter, templates, calendars, checklists, trackers, and invoices. Number two is digital journal bundle. You might want to consider manifestation healing and law of attraction. Not only are these super popular, but shop owners are charging more for them and people are buying them. For sure, these are so easy to make using Canva. So go ahead and just start a new project and create multiple pages, and you will then be able to design your own journal and then save it as a PDF document that customers can purchase and download. Number three is workbook. This digital product is super helpful because people can use them to complete specific tasks and also achieve their specific goals. So again, I would encourage you to think about what you're skilled at or good at and what problems you've been able to solve for yourself. Not only that, but what problems are you able to solve for your customers? Because people are always looking for solutions to their problems. And this is where you bridge that gap with your workbook. For example, workbooks on self-esteem and confidence, fitness and nutrition, workbooks for small business owners that support them with their branding and social media. You could include sections for checklists, trackers, and goal setting, and also provide your customers with prompts throughout your workbook. Certainly, you could end up up selling multiple copies every single month because it helps new shop owners sell printables online. Guys, there's a free app called Koji, which is such a great platform for selling digital products, and anyone can use it. And I mentioned it's free and also a great option if you don't want to create your own website or sell on any other platform. So then, all you have to do is sign up, which is absolutely free, and get started. Just be sure to follow the prompts to sign up. It's super easy. As soon as you've signed up and are inside the app, then go into View App Store, where you will be taken to a section for top apps for monetization, which you can use to sell your PDFs, workbook, ebook, etc. Next thing to do is to add a cover photo for your workbook, description of your digital product, and then go ahead and upload your file, thereby allowing your customers to receive it straight away once they've purchased. Number 4 is digital art bundles, and this is such a really fun digital product business. Certainly, if you wish, you can create your own artwork and sell it digitally, allowing your customers to download and print it from their home or from a local printing shop. If you are interested in selling digital artwork, then I recommend bundling 3 to 6 pieces, thereby increasing the price for each order. It's time for you to be super creative and come up with your own unique artwork on platforms such as Procreate, Adobe Illustrator, or Photoshop. Also, you could consider selling quotes in beautiful fonts and then put them in a bundle. Guys, if you're getting value from this video so far, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comments which digital product you're thinking of creating first to sell. Okay, number 5 is video content such as tutorials to walk people through a specific task. For sure, you will want to hone in on your passions and skills that will allow you to get paid for teaching or demonstrating something that you are good at. What's really great about offering tutorials and mini courses is that you're able to charge more for them simply because they produce better results. Whereas by offering, let's say, documents with instructions everyone is skilled at, something that they can teach, right? For example, you could consider makeup tutorials, workouts, recipe videos, social media tutorials, productivity tips, etc., etc. As I mentioned before, Koji app is free and sell downloadable files specifically as its digital products in a zipped folder. If you decide to offer a series of mini tutorials, about 3 to 5, then you should save them in a zip folder that the customer can download straight away after purchase. Number 6 is instructional ebooks and guides. For certain, your guide should help others solve a problem. Number 7 is commercial license graphics. You could digitally create your own unique graphics and clip art and then offer them to other designers in a set. You could scan sketches and paintings and digitize them. Just look on YouTube for the free tutorials that shows you how to do this. Then you just offer them for personal or commercial use, or even an extended commercial license for a much higher price. Number 8 is frame mock-up bundles. This one is for those who love photography, and it matters not whether you are a beginner or an expert. This one is a great way to monetize your passion. You now have the opportunity to take professional photos of frames that other people can use as mock-ups. You can sell them in packages and also offer them for personal, commercial, or extended commercial license at a higher price point. Also, you could go on and look on Creative Market and get some ideas. Number 9 is marketing templates. For sure, you could create templates such as invoices, contracts, lead magnets, emails, social media post, content plans, etc. And as I said before, you can go to Canva and easily create and sell templates using Canva. However, you would need the Pro version to sell templates, but you can charge a premium for these by bundling them together in a branded pack, and by doing so, you will save business owners a huge amount of time. Number 10 is printable party decor, which is such a fun digital product that you can sell to customers who are planning their own event. People could be planning an event such as a baby shower, a bridal shower, a birthday party, a retirement party, etc. You get the idea. This is where you can offer them PDF templates that can be edited, and they can customize it in line with their own party theme. Some examples for these PDFs are banners, signs, tags, backdrops, cake toppers, and also offer printable games and props that is in line with their color scheme and theme. These are such good and popular party digital downloads that people are sure to buy and become regular customers and add to their cart. So then, last but not least is number 11, which is product mock-ups. This one would certainly be beneficial to business owners who sell physical products and are looking for beautiful mock-ups to showcase their designs. So again, we have another one for those of you who love photography. This is aimed at beginners and expert level. You only need to take some stunning photos of, say, t-shirts, sweaters, mugs, bags, etc., and then offer them as sets for the business owner for use in their shop. Again, I recommend you selling them in sets to increase the value and sell them as digital downloadable files. For sure, you can sell these on platforms like Etsy and Creative Market, where you can start uploading your digital products. Guys, remember to comment below so we can check out what you're selling. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.